Hello everyone. Now it's the time to talk about labeling. I will print the clip. Print the clip, the audio, not the shape. So control copy and control MB, control V, and please remove the delete. And I would like to print actually the first clip in the dataset. So this is our first clip. I'm not printing the shape. Control Enter. I have a question for all of you. Can you say it is negative or positive? No, we cannot. Okay. Can the neural net say it is a positive or negative? No, the neural net cannot. So this is why we need labeling. I will show you actually another audio from another project. I have another project. This is the other project. And see at the end of the label, at the end of the audio, I put the label. So this is how the neural net will understand that this audio file is negative because there is zero associated with the audio file. So actually what we will feed the neural net is two parts. The audio itself, it's here. So starting of the audio and the label. For each label, for each clip in our dataset, we should feed the neural net with the audio clip itself and the label for that clip. How can we do that? I will do it by simplifying the scenario first. Let me go and add a new file. I need to simplify the concept of labeling first. This is a new Python file. I will call it simplify labeling. Sorry if there is any mistake. We need actually to import two libraries. Import numpy. Thank you. No need for pandas. Import tensor. Any help? Thank you. So we have actually two main libraries that related to our work. All done for our libraries. Let me add some audio clips. So I will call it audio underscore clips equal mp.array. Any help? Thank you. So this is our array. Actually, this is the assuming it's the first audio, and this is the second audio, and the third audio is 5,6, and copy this dummy fake audios and control V. So another audio, and so on. Okay. How many clips we have? Actually, we have 6. So this is the first clip, second clip, third clip, and so on. Now the question raised is how many labels we need? Also 6. So for each clip, I will say labels equal mp dot also array. Yes, thank you AI. So it must be like this. Number of clips is 100. You need 100 label, and so on. And the connection will be as follows. The first clip should connect the first label, and so on. So since we will assume that the first 3 clips are negative, so we should put the first 3 labels as 0, 0, 0. So I will do it like this. Copy this for 3 times. Why 3 times? Because we are assuming the first 3 clips are negative. What about the last 3 clips? We are assuming they are positive. Okay, so the last 3 labels must be 1. So I will do it. Control V, instead of 0, it will be 1. And also copy to the 5, 6. Cool. So now we have done with our data structure. Who will connect this audio clips to these labels in the correct manner? the brilliant, the magical TensorFlow all the time can handle it for you. Thank you, TensorFlow. Actually, there is a library called from tensor slices. Maybe the AI can help. Go on. Help me, AI. From tensor slices. AI. Okay. So I will say tensor underscore dataset. I think there is some help. Thank you. Never be late, please. Again, tap. So actually, this is the scenario. Look, it arrange the audio clips, comma labels. That means this slicing library will connect the audio clips to these labels in the correct sequence, in the correct manner. The first clip to the first label, second clip. And since it's a slicing, so that means we have done all the task of labeling. Actually, approximately, yes. So let me print and see what is the result. Print. Any help? Thank you, but I will not use XY because I have my original name, which is the audio clip, and the associated labels. Okay, not in tensor, not take one. Okay, I will fix it. Again, Control V on tensor data set and tensor data, not take one. Just this. Control Enter. Let me see the result. Tensor data. Okay, dot take one. Control Z. No need for in tensor data. Print. No need. Control Enter. Position argument, but 6 were given. Okay. I'm sorry. There should be a square brackets here surrounding the entire. That's good. Debugging online. Control Enter. Yes. You see, this is our first clip. What is the label? The label is 0. Second clip, label is 0. Third clip, label is 0. And fourth clip, which is positive. And here is 1. And so on. Let me enhance the printing, please. So we will say F, comma, single quotation, brackets, and brackets, another brackets. Okay. Control Enter. I will enhance the printing. Yeah, now it's better. So the first clip labeled with 0, second clip with 0, and so on. This is the concept of slicing. So this is what we will use actually in all our audio files. This is how we will label our audio files. Also, I would like to say something. Since we are slicing, the slicing means slicing the cake, slicing the audios. And now we have associate the labels, okay? But actually, we need to play with the batches. What does that mean? Don't feed all your data like this to the neural net. Maybe you will get Stack Overflow. We don't have, when we want to deploy our AI model, we don't have i9 processor. We have Raspberry Pi. So please, you need to do some optimization before deployment. So it will adding the batch of 2. Batch of 2, that means we will not do our data like this, but it will be, you see, we have 2 files, 2 labels, 2 files, 2 clips, 2 labels, 2 clips, 2 labels. This will be used to be feed the neural net instead of a single batch one time. Thank you.